Hey everybody, welcome again with Konapin 16. I am Fauri Shukri. I deliver my article with the title Digital Literacy Belief and Practices of In-Service EFL Teachers Online Professional Training, a Socio-Cultural Approach. I'm interested with the title with some reason. First is, this study consists of two main elements. Two elements are, number one is digital literacy belief, number two, digital literacy practices. So, audience, to become EFL teachers online professional, the participants should have two requirements. Requirement number one, principle of digital literacy knowledge. Requirement number two, implementation of digital literacy services and application. More specifically, this study focused on two requirements: principle of digital literacy and knowledge, and then implementation of digital literacy services and application. Actually, audience, English language instruction involve or needs some requirement too. There are at least 5 main requirements. Number one, learning outcome, material, method, sources, and assessment. Among 5 requirements here, relating with online, I think we can focus on material, maybe, and then also method, sources, and assessment. Okay, the next slide is still introduction. This study actually has two purposes. Number one, to describe how English language teachers try to improve their knowledge in digital literacy belief. And then purpose number two, to describe how English language teachers try to develop their skill in digital literacy practices. The next slide, we come to design and method. Yeah, this article or study, the design and method of study are qualitative method and then online observation. In qualitative method, this study conduct interview and record the activity of EFL teachers online professional training to find the data. Also, the study implement online observation, and then here observation sheet by using observation sheet to take note of EFL teacher online professional training. And then the next slide, setting and participant. Actually, the activity location of in-service EFL teacher online professional training, we have at home base in one of state universities in Surabaya. This university has two basis area 1 and area 2. And then here EFL teacher online professional training is conducted from area number 2. In area number 2 has some building. One of them is TPD, Teacher Program Development Building, having 9 floors with complete facility for TPD activities. And then the next is participant of TPD or online teachers, EFL teacher online professional training. They are English teacher, but they come from junior middle school English teacher, senior high school, and vocational school. The participant of EFL teacher online professional training, more or less 50 participants. This study select 15 participants. The next slide is research instrument. This study has two research instruments: interview outline of EFL teachers online professional training relating to principle of digital literacy knowledge, and then observation sheet of EFL teacher online professional training relating to implementation of digital literacy services and application. Interview online cover SIG item. Item number 1 relating with principle of digital literacy, effectivity, validity, creativity, connectivity, personality, and intensity. And also observation sheet in English instruction practices, there are 3 stages: pre-learning activity, while learning activity, post-learning activity. In each of activity, we try to having observation to look at carefully 6 items starting from effectivity, validity, creativity, connectivity, personality, and intensity in pre-learning activity. The teacher has to introduce to the learner or student the maybe 6 items. And then in while learning activity also 6 items should be conducted carefully. So teacher here should elaborate and then explore it, exploration, and then the next is confirmation relating with principle of digital literacy, activity, validity, creativity, connectivity, personality, and intensity. At the end of learning activity, at post-learning activity, the teacher should end the activity by emphasize on effectivity, validity, creativity, connectivity, personality, and intensity. In the next audience is result and discussion. We come to finding of this study for research question. There are 2 research questions. Research question number 1, we have data some English language teachers still learning and studying to improve their digital literacy belief in service EFL teacher online professional training, more specifically in 6 items. They should improve. And then for research question number 2, we also find some English language teachers still learning and studying to develop and implement digital literacy practices in service EFL teacher online professional training relating with 6 items, especially here in English instruction practices. The next one is result and discussion. Interview result in 3 phases of learning: pre-learning activity, while learning activity, and post-learning activity. Here in this slide, pre-learning activity, we maybe pay attention a lot with review relating with connectivity, activity, validity, creativity, personality, and intensity. So our interview cover 6 items here. Do they maybe implement or maybe or not their understanding, their comprehending about 6 items? Because this is based on a belief of digital literacy belief. The next one is still result and discussion. Observation result. We try to observe when English instruction practices conducted by English teacher in pre-learning activity, while learning activity, post-learning activity, relating with their English instruction practices refer to 6 items, starting activity, validity, creativity, connectivity, personality, and intensity. And then the result and discussion. In this slide, the discussion of study for research question, there are 3 findings. Number 1 here is teachers low, and then teacher moderate level, and then teacher high level. In teacher low level ability, English teacher that can improve, English teacher can improve and develop, demonstrate digital literacy belief and practices with 2 items among 6 items. And then most or dominantly, they only do 6 items in one state, pre-learning activity. And then in teacher moderate level ability, English teacher can improve, develop, and demonstrate digital literacy belief and practices with 3 items among 6 items, and they can implement in 2 stages, but majority of them in focus on pre and post learning activity. And point C, result in discussion. Teacher high level ability and English teacher that can improve, develop, demonstrate digital literacy, belief and practices with 6 items and 3 stages. So in pre, while, and post activity learning comprehensively. The next slide is conclusion. Based on result discussion to conclusion, English language teacher can improve digital literacy belief with 3 level ability, low, moderate, and high. And then point B, English language teacher can develop and demonstrate digital literacy practices in their instruction practices with 3 level ability, low, moderate, and high. The implications are improving digital literacy belief in more challenging and interesting in English interaction. And also point B, developing, demonstrating digital literacy practices, also more challenging and interesting in English interaction. Okay, audience, thanks for your attention. I think that's all.